everybody. We're headed off to a kitchen sink in Nashua, New Hampshire. Do them all the time, so hope to see you at the end of the video. Stay tuned. Thanks. I may have to have you hold that to record. Just so that way there, I don't bump it and knock it over, and that people can see behind us. You know what I mean? And just remind me to put that hose that I put off to the other side right there, put it back over this way afterwards. Okay. That's for the sprayer. Mm-hmm. Okay. So we do have the right size one. All right. No, I'm not going to turn it on without my leather gloves on.
Of course not.
Okay. So, now, okay, and cold water.
Which way is cold?
Pull towards me. And just check it. Don't go too fast though, because I don't know how fast it's going to back up. Reason. Stupid thing. All right, can you turn the Viking back on? Mm-hmm. sink for now. Pull that back. Now I'll take this off and put theirs back on. I don't know why I like to use the channel locks the wrong way, but I do.
Yeah. It happens.
Now. I think I will forever do that.
Put the channel locks on backwards.
Yep. And then realize, hey, that's a pain. All right. If you want to start taking off. Yep. No, it's fine.
Might make it a little easier. Thank you.
You know how to shut these doors? Everybody, so that does it for that kitchen sink line. The angle was a little weird, but I got it done anyways. So they were complaining a little bit about it backing up for a while, but now they're not. So they're draining, they're good. If you're liking the content of our videos and you want to help us out and you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Help us get to 1,000. That'd be amazing and it would really help us out. Thank you so much in advance.